Right.
This demonstration shows instructor Laksiri performing a freehand gas cut to prepare a T-joint plate for welding. The torch is held nearly vertical, producing a straight square edge cut. In this method, there is no guide rail. The quality of the cut depends entirely on the instructor's hand stability and visual control. Before starting, he adjusts oxygen and fuel gas pressures to achieve a neutral flame. The bright inner cone heats the steel until ignition temperature, and the oxygen jet performs the clean separation. Maintaining the correct torch angle and distance keeps the cut square and smooth. The steady sound of the flame helps the instructor judge the oxygen balance. Watch how the molten metal drops evenly through the gap, a clear sign of steady travel speed and constant heat along the path. Each pass is guided only by line markings and experience. With practiced motion, the instructor achieves a straight edge comparable to a mechanized cutter. The square cut produced here allows the plate to sit flush against another surface, forming the base of a T-joint weld. This stage is critical. An uneven edge could cause poor fit-up or trapped slag when welding begins. Even as a manual process, it trains welders to sense heat flow, flame shape, and metal behavior directly through their own hands. This is freehand oxy-fuel cutting at its finest. Precision, confidence, and craftsmanship demonstrated by instructor Laksiri at the IDMNC Advanced Welding Academy.